Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off extra dim function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our extra dim mode and how to turn it off. We need to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility menu here, and in visibility enhancements when we scroll down we have here extra dim function. So to turn it off, we simply uncheck this box and now it's turned off. Of course, we can change intensity of our extra dim option if we need to, and we can turn it off from here also. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.